Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to start. First, confirm you're signed into the Snapchat account that hid the friend. Once done, make sure contacts and location permissions are allowed in your device settings because Snapchat uses them to surface people. Next, open the friend's screen and tap your avatar at top left to open settings. From settings, scroll to privacy controls and choose See My Location or Contact Sync. This begins revealing hidden entries. These are the first actionable steps to reverse hidden status quickly. Once in privacy controls, disable ghost mode or set location visibility to friends so location-based hiding stops. Then go to Manage and toggle Contact Sync off, pause a few seconds, then toggle it back on. This forces Snapchat to re-index your address book and often restores hidden friend entries. Next, verify who can contact me and quick add. If set too restrictive, make sure friends or friends of friends are allowed. These steps adjust both visibility and the contact list so hidden friends reappear. To finish, search for the hidden person by username or phone number and re-add them if Snapchat didn't restore the connection automatically. If that fails, clear Snapchat's cache from settings or uninstall and reinstall the app. This forces a fresh sync. Also, inspect your blocked list and unblock any accidental entries, then confirm contacts and location permissions once more. If problems persist, try signing out and back in. That session reset often resolves lingering sync or visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.